Hi guys, this is Forex with Temilo and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you the trade I took on the 16th of February, which is the last week on Friday. I was able to get into a sell trade on the euro dollar. But before I get right into that, I want to use this medium to say thank you to all my subscribers. I have now reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube here. Yay! Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do. That's the least you can do for me. I give out all these free educational content on how to trade the foreign exchange market. Please click the subscribe button. Let's get to 10k. So with that being said, I want to take some cereal right now because I'm famished. Food is very essential. Now I have the strength to talk. So now this is the euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame, and right here we can see that this was CPI. I explained this buy trade in my previous video before this particular one. I explained this buy trade, and since I was not able to get into this buy trade, I was then looking at the next zone that I can take trades from. Okay, so coming into Friday now, markets, I was having my eye on this particular supply zone right here. Why was I looking at that supply zone to take a trade from? I was looking at it because if you look at the market structure from right here, we created this low, markets created this high, we pushed down, we created this high, then market pushed down right here into this zone. So looking at the structure, you realize that market has now broken below this low that we have right here. So marking out this supply zone is actually valid because this zone was responsible for this break of structure. Okay, and now price is returning back into this unmitigated supply zone. Okay, so now for me to be able to take a sell trade, I need to see a confirmation entry. Okay, that is, price needs to pull into this 1 hour supply level. Then I'll move down to the lower time frame and then look for internal break of structure on the lower time frame before I then take my sell trade. Okay, you want to wait for confirmation entry because price can push up above this level right here, so you need to wait for confirmation entry. So now let's quickly move to let's play price and see price tapped into that zone. You can see price has tapped into that zone. So what you want to do now is go to a lower time frame, like probably the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, then go and look for confirmation entry. So as you can see, price has tapped into this zone. We can refine it down like this. Let's see the 30 minutes time frame. You can see that market has tapped this supply zone. So what I'll be looking for now is to start marking out my structure on the lower time frame, and this is my structure. We have pull up, push down, a push up, a push down, and this high. So presently now, if I'm marking out my structure, this is the last high that I can see right now, and this is the last this is the low that push price into this level right there. So now for me to be able to take a sell trade, I'll be waiting for price to break this low. Okay, and as you can see, price has broken below this low, but on this particular day, this is still the same day of which price was running into this zone. So this is not Friday yet. I could not get a trade on Thursday, so we need to wait now. Let me move to the 15 minutes time frame and move to Friday, because I always come on my charts. Okay, so now this is the Asian session from the Thursday market, and let's wait for the London session. So right now we are now in the London session. So now at this particular time, this is the last high that I can see in the market, and this is the low. This is the low that, so now we've seen a break below this low. So definitely we can take our sell entry from this point right here. Okay, so but because this is already past my trading hour on this particular day, I did not get into this trade. Okay, so but this is a valid trade to get into actually. But I actually saw this break of structure. I saw that it was a good zone to take, but it was past my trading hour, so I decided to wait the following day for the London session. So now we are in the London session, and because of this entry that I've seen, I was now waiting for the London session to take out this Asian range high before I sell. Then aside from that, I actually want to take an aggressive sell entry from this point as well, because we already have a confirmation entry at this point. Okay, it was just past my trading hour. So I got into my trade around this zone. So that was what I was explaining on my channel, that I got a late entry. So normally if I had traded the previous day, my entry should have been at this point. So I got into the trade at this level of imbalance fill right there. Then keeping in mind that we still have this Asian range high, and as you know, sometimes I told you price may not actually grab the Asian range high before selling. It happens sometimes, but I always like that price grabs it. So then my stop loss was somewhere around right there. So I protected my trade in case market will still come and take out this Asian range high. So that was how I got into this trade. Then for my take profit now, I'm looking for, so this is my trade right there. For my take profits, I was looking at this zone. This was my first zone I was looking at. Oh, sorry, this is the first zone I'm looking at to take my profits from. You can see right there. So this is going to be a very short trade. Also, looking at this level right there, I can see build up of liquidity right there. And also I cited this Asian range low that price could possibly still push down into this low, but because it was on a Friday and market will close, I decided to just step out of my trade around this level. So I can even probably just call this also a scalp trade actually. So I was able to get about 30 pips thereabouts from, I think when price pushed down into this level, I was able to get about 30 pips from my point of entry. I was able to get about 30 or 31 pips. So I got into that trade, and let's see how price reacted. So as you can see, price took out the Asian range high and still tapped back into this supply zone. Probably if I had waited, I would have gotten a better entry, but over time I know how price can react at times. Price may not actually come to grab this level, but price came up and this zone was mitigated and price just went all the way down. So I just manually closed out my trade because I was monitoring this trade. So I just got out of my trade around 30 pips thereabout. So that was how I was able to get this sell entry. And because it was Friday and I was so happy I did not wait too long, like trying to wait till this level right here, because just right after this, market just went all the way up again. So this is why I always say make sure you get into your trades at strategic places and exit at strategic places. There is no point losing back what you've gained to the market. Imagine being able to catch all of this sell and then giving it back to the market to hit your stop loss. So please get in your trades, look for strategic exit points, get out of your trade. This is a good point. This level right here, we can see this imbalance, is a good point to get out. So guys, that's just it about this particular trade. So on Monday now, when market opens, I'll be looking for possible entry. So the way I'm viewing the market right now, what I'm looking at is the fact that we've tapped into this 4-hour demand level right here. I think, in my opinion, I think market is trying to break above this zone and come up to this level to fill up this imbalance that we have right here. But I'm not the type to do all these long predictions. I deal with immediate price action. By Monday, I want to see how price will develop. I want the Asian session to form first. Then we move to the London session. Then I'm able to know what I will be trading. But that's just my bias for now. So I'm thinking we are going to probably break above this supply zone. In my opinion, I'm not sure. And if I might still target this zone for continuation buys, because you can see market is pushing down, pushing up, coming down, pushing up, and probably we are pushing up, and maybe price might come to this zone and we might get a buy trade to continue to the upside, or better still, maybe price might still come back down and still react off of this supply zone. I'm not sure yet, so I'll see what price will do. Let me quickly go to GBP USD. GBP USD, on the other hand, has broken above this high that we have right here. And this is why I have that bias that we are likely pushing into this level right here. Okay, we are filling up all of this imbalance right there. So on Monday, I'll see how price develops after the Asian session, but this is a good zone to take continuation buys. I don't know, so we'll see on Monday when the market opens. That'll be all, guys. I hope this video is of value to you. I hope you learn one or two from it, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you're interested in signing up for my one-on-one Zoom session or signing up into my academy, you can message me on Instagram. Please, I'm trying to avoid Telegram for the time being, because I realized some people are impersonating me, opening channels in my name that are not mine. So please, if you have any message, please reach out to me on Instagram. My handle will be in the description box below. Reach out to me on Instagram at Temilor, TheMMYLOR. And signing up into my academy is just $100. And if you have any questions, just feel free to message me. I'll reply to them. Okay. All right, guys, that will be all for this video, and see you next time.